Now, the Wabash Valley's most watched newscast continues with Storm Team 10 meteorologist Lindsay Monroe.
Good morning, everyone. Extremely cold temperatures once again across the valley this morning. This is your current wind chill temperature, 15 below in Mattoon, 11 below in Casey, down to minus 17 in Paris. It feels like 15 below outside in Terre Haute right now and down to minus 8 in Robinson. Because of those colder wind chill temperatures, we do have a wind chill advisory in effect for most of the Wabash Valley through this afternoon. Winds continue out of the south for us today. They're going to shift out of the southwest, so that's going to slowly start to usher in some warmer temperatures. And by warmer, I mean the 20s. It's warmer than yesterday, but those winds will pick up, and you're going to notice that it's going to be a pretty breezy afternoon. 7 mile per hour sustained wind in Mattoon right now, 8 in Paris and 6 in Terre Haute. Your actual air temperatures again downright cold out there this morning. We're at 3 below here in Terre Haute, 6 below in Rockville, minus 2 in Paris back through Mattoon. It's 1 degree down in Vincennes right now, and everyone is set to warm back up into the teens as we head through just after midday today. Near 6 at 10 a.m., 12 at noon, and temperature tracker takes us back into the lower 20s for today's daytime high, right around 21 degrees. A look at the bigger picture shows us that, well, the skies are mostly clear right now. We'll see plenty of sunshine during the first part of the day, but heading through the afternoon, you can see these clouds that are making their way into northwestern portions of Illinois. That cloud cover is going to continue to build in as we head through the day. Also, it's going to really increase that wind speed as well. So for the afternoon hours today, you'll get back into the lower 20s with a northwesterly wind. It's going to shift again through the afternoon hours, gusting in excess of 35 miles per hour. Certainly going to be a pretty breezy day. And then heading through the overnight tonight, that's when that next chance of snow is set to move in. This is Saturday, early Saturday at midnight. It's pretty much late tonight. That's when we're going to start to see the leading edge of that snow taking over. Snow showers will be around, setting up and becoming a little bit heavier at times through the overnight. You can see the darker shades of blue across Indiana compared to a lighter blue over closer to the Effingham area. That's where we're seeing the highest snowfall potential across central Indiana. That snow does continue before it slowly starts to taper off as we head through the morning hours on Saturday. So how much are we expecting? Again, where you saw that darker blue, that's going to be Terre Haute to Bloomington and further off to the northeast, expecting anywhere of 1 to 2 inches, potentially up to 3. We put up to 3 because we're going to have some pretty gusty winds through the overnight, and while this isn't going to be a pretty big snow event, what it will be is a very windy event, creating some very hard travel as well as reduced visibility through the overnight. So keep that in mind. While these snowfall totals don't necessarily look that impressive, it's still going to feel definitely a lot colder with those winds continuing and blowing that snow around. So 1 to 2 inches across southwestern portions of the valley. The snow comes to an end as it exits and takes the cloud cover away with it. Temperatures will fall. We'll top out near 24 degrees early Saturday morning, and then we'll fall back into the teens on Saturday afternoon. Going to feel a lot colder as well with the northwesterly wind. Through the overnight Saturday, putting us into Sunday, we're looking at yet again another wave that will move through for the first part of the day on Sunday. And I do believe the heavier snowfall totals are going to remain north of that I-70 line, pretty much north of I-74 as well. So perhaps just another half an inch, a quick inch come Sunday afternoon, but that's going to be just about it. So for today, starting off with those extremely cold temperatures and some sunshine, we'll increase the cloud cover and those winds this afternoon with highs near 21. Snow moves in around midnight tonight. We'll continue through the overnight with a gusty wind with a low near 20, rebounding to 24 early Saturday morning before temperatures start to fall, and we'll start to clear that sky out come Saturday afternoon. There's your extended forecast. A second wave of snow coming in on Sunday, as well as a weak warm front warming those temperatures up very briefly to the mid-30s and then quickly back near zero on Monday morning. Another Arctic blast of air bringing in sub-zero overnight low temperatures next Tuesday and Wednesday.